What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one on the Tech Boss. So today we're going to be talking about a device that has literally went right under my radar, and I literally did not know anything about this device. I didn't even know it was coming out. I didn't even know. I genuinely did not know about this device at all. But yeah, now I do, and yeah, I'm quite excited. I'm very excited because OnePlus. I'm not gonna say I'm a big fan of OnePlus because I'm not really a big fan of OnePlus. You know me, I'm a fan of Samsung, and then yeah, but OnePlus is a Android smartphone, so yeah, it's I kind of like Androids, and yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. I guess. Anyway, we're gonna talk a little bit about it, and yeah, we're gonna see what we should be expecting from this new phone from OnePlus. Anyway, before I start the video, I just want you guys to know this phone is gonna be like a affordable kind of phone for people to buy, and also this is gonna bring in more customers for OnePlus, and for the fan base for OnePlus is gonna be very good as well because they're gonna keep that fan base, if that makes sense. And yeah, they want to reach more to their fans so they can afford their phones, basically, because right now OnePlus is actually making big phones, big flagships, which is very expensive at the moment. So they're kind of doing what Samsung is doing and having their high range smartphones and their medium range smartphones. Yeah, which is pretty damn good because then, like I said, it's gonna attract more people, especially people that want to jump to the OnePlus wagon. Uh, yeah, if you know what I mean. Anyway, there's been a lot of speculation about the name of this device actually. So before we even heard that OnePlus is going to be actually releasing this phone, and people have been saying it might be called the OnePlus Z, or the OnePlus 8 Lite, or the OnePlus Nord. But we obviously know what it's going to be called now. It's going to be called the OnePlus Nord, which is quite a unique name. But yeah, I don't know what OnePlus is trying to do here. Anyway, release date. We're gonna be seeing this phone, and it's gonna be launching on July the 21st, which is in literally 2 days from today. And yeah, what OnePlus is actually doing is they're gonna be launching the phone with a AR kind of vibe, kind of feeling. So because of the pandemic going on right now in the world, we can't really go to like an event or anything like that to experience this phone, but they're gonna be letting us experience the phone by this AR kind of system, so we can watch them unveil the device and all that good stuff. And then yeah, it's gonna be available in Europe, North America, and India. USA, not so sure yet because obviously the pandemic is going on, and USA doesn't really want anything from China coming into the US because obviously, yeah, the whole pandemic, and yeah, they're a little bit, they're a little bit off, a little bit iffy with that kind of thing. And you guys know OnePlus is a Chinese brand, so yeah, I'm not gonna go further into that situation, so this video doesn't get demonetized. Anyway, now the price is gonna be good. It's gonna be like I said to you, it's gonna be a affordable phone. It's not gonna be cheap. It's just gonna be affordable. So you guys know the top of the spec phones for OnePlus is reaching at least £1,000 or even over, but this is gonna be less. This is gonna be coming in at £500 in the UK, and for dollars is going to be $699 for you guys that use dollars. I don't. I use pounds. But yeah, anyway, like I said, it's affordable, but it's not cheap. But if you think about it, it's kind of cheap, but it's not cheap, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyway, that's the price. It's going to cost a lot more less than the iPhone 8. I mean the iPhone 8. I mean the OnePlus 8, obviously. Anyway, the design. Now we're going to talk about the design and the display. The design is going to be a little bit more boxier than the iPhone. The iPhone. I mean, it's going to be more boxier than the OnePlus 8 at the moment. OnePlus 8 lineup is going to be a little bit more boxier, and it's going to have a flat display with more of a round corner and edge. So the phone is going to be more rounded, like you know what I'm saying. Anyway, camera module is going to be on the top left corner of the phone at the back, and also it's going to be housing 4 module cameras on there, which is going to be pretty damn cool. So yeah, more about the camera further into the video we go. And it's going to have 2 front facing camera with a hole punch, which is pretty nice to see. So they're kind of keeping the phone nice and tidy. None of the notch. It's just going to be a hole punch, which is nice. I like the hole punch because it doesn't obstruct a lot of like viewing experience in the phone. It just obstruct just a little hole punch, which is not that crazy. It's okay, but there's going to be 2 cameras in there, which is going to be cool. And then the volume button is going to be on the left side of the device, and the power key is going to be on the right side of the device. Don't know where it's going to be. Hopefully when you're holding the device, it's going to be just where your thumb lands, so you can unlock and lock and yeah, do whatever you got to do. Now we go on to talking about the specs of this new OnePlus phone. So it's going to be rocking the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset, and also it's going to be 5G enabled as well, so you can get 5G on the phone. And to be honest with you, it's a good touch because not a lot of phones out there in the mid-range section has actually have 5G. Like the Samsung Galaxy A series, some of the A series, maybe one of them have 5G and the rest is just 4G. So it's nice that they've implemented the 5G, especially with the price bracket as well of these phones, which is pretty damn cool. So anyway, it's gonna have 90 gigahertz refresh rate on the display, and it's also gonna come with a 12 GB RAM as well built in. So it's gonna be nice and fast and snappy, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty damn cool. Now we talk about the camera. So the rear camera is gonna have a 48 megapixel main camera, and then it's gonna have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel macro camera as well. Don't know who's going to be using the macro lens, but yeah, I don't know. I do not know. Anyway, now we'll jump onto the front camera. It's going to be rocking a 32 megapixel main camera in the front, and it's going to be rocking an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera there as well. So yeah, 2 cameras in the phone. Well, for selfie camera with a hole punch. Yeah, it's going to be nice and cool, and it's going to look absolutely clean. Anyway, now we're going to move on straight over to the battery life. So the battery on this is going to have a 4,115 milliamp of battery, and it's going to be fast charging. It's going to be fast charging capable, and it's not going to have a wireless charging though. So you can't do no wireless charging on the phone. I mean, with the price tag, I'm not that bothered. I'd rather have the 5G than the wireless charging, because yeah, you get more quicker data usage on all that stuff. Anyway, it's gonna have a 30-watt charger in the box. So when you open the box up, you're gonna see a 30-watt charger. So yeah, that's gonna bring in the fast charging there to the phone as well. And then for security, we're gonna have an in-display fingerprint, so you can touch the phone with your fingerprint and it will unlock the phone, which is a nice, it's a nice thing to see on the phone. And also it's gonna have the 2D face unlock, which is gonna be cool, so you can hold up to your face and your face will unlock the device, which is pretty damn cool. And then you guys are gonna be asking about the main thing, which is the color. It's gonna be coming, the colors are gonna be blue marble, gray on white, on whites. I can't even say what that is, but it's gonna be coming in 2 different grays. So it's gonna be coming in the gray and also a gray ash as well. So yeah, that's all you need to know about the OnePlus, what's it called again? The OnePlus Nord. I don't know if that's how you say it, but yeah, that's how I would say it. But yeah, anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe as well. Comment down below. Tell me if you like the video. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button like I said, and turn on your post notifications so you're alerted every single time I make a video. Anyway, without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully we can get this phone and unbox it again. And also I just want to give a shout out to everyone that watched my last unboxing video on the on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. That was amazing. Literally 1,000 views in 9 days, and I was so mind blown. It was amazing. Anyway, giveaway on that is still coming up. Just trying to choose someone to win the phone. And also the OnePlus Nord is going to be unboxed on this channel as well. So keep your eyes and keep that post notification on, because the video is going to be coming and it's going to be lit. Anyway guys, let's try and get 10,000 subscribers on this channel. It will be sick. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.